Hi guys, welcome back. So I've been trying to give you ideas for children's lunches or adults' lunches or teenagers, whatever. So one of the ones that I have here now that I'm going to do is going to be for a chicken tortilla. So I'm simply going to be putting some chicken breasts in a pot and have them covered in water. And I have some celery and onions and carrots. I'm going to put those in as well. And I'm just going to put it on and let it poach. And I'm going to put some salt in there as well. And we're just going to put some simple seasonings in, just a little bit of salt and pepper, because the seasonings are actually going to go in the filling or the cream cheese topping that we're going to put on top of the tortilla and then with the chicken. Okay, so let's poach this chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on the stove. I'll cover this with water, put it on the stove, bring it up to a simmer, and then drop the heat down so that it's sitting in the water and that's hot, but it's not even bubbling. And that's going to ensure that we get a nice tender chicken breast that's not dry and that it's still cooked through. Okay guys, I've got it down on low, and this is about as low a boil as it's going to do. But I am going to now take these out and let them cool off, but I wanted to show you what they look like. So, there we go. Let's take them out, and then I'll let them cool and shred them up, and we'll put them together. So guys, our chicken is done. It has been shredded. And we also have here a cup and a half of cheese. Now this cheese I have here is Monterey Jack and a little bit of mozzarella for the stretch. We have some limes and we have some cream cheese, okay? So I'm going to take the hand mixer. I'm going to mix up this cream cheese a bit, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of salsa and several seasonings. But I'll be sure to share with you as we go along. So our cream cheese was at room temperature, so that was really quick to do. And I'm going to just guesstimate for a half a cup. Yeah, that looks about right. So with these chicken-filled tortillas, you can actually put the toppings on as well once they're rolled up. I'm not going to be baking these. I'm making these to freeze. It's going to be a freezer meal to grab and go sort of thing. But what you will do is when you're ready to eat them, you'll just take them out of the freezer, pop them in a 425 oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, these rolls, and then you'll serve them with salsa, sour cream, you know, guacamole, whatever you like. Okay, so now we're going to add our seasonings. And we're going to do a half a teaspoon of chili powder. Okay. We're going to do a teaspoon of cumin, which is one of my favorite spices. There we go. We're going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. There. And the onion. There we go. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice as well. Oh, that's a really nice... That actually may have been 2 tablespoons there, but I really like lime. So, there we go. Now, let's mix this up again. Okay, I'm going to just scrape this down a bit. Make sure we've got everything mixed up well. Especially with cream cheese, you need to make sure that you're getting the bottom of the bowl. There we go. And we'll give it a quick little whiz again. That's perfect. So now we're going to add this in with our chicken. the shredded chicken we had. And we're going to add the cheese in as well. And let's give this all a really good stir. Okay. That is looking really good. Okay, so I'm going to just clear up and then we'll roll the tortillas. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take about 2 good-sized tablespoons and put in this. And I hope you could see this. And just spread it out a bit. Put it there. Roll it up. And put it in the pan. Okay, so now when you want to cook these, you would typically put them in the oven, 425, like I said, for about 10-15 minutes, and it'll get nice and golden. I'm actually waiting for my little oven to heat up because I do want to show you how delicious they look when they're cooked. I will do one. The rest I will probably freeze. There. I should also say, when you freeze these, put them on a cookie sheet, first of all, with some parchment paper and freeze them, and then put them in a freezer bag, and that way they won't stick together, or a freezer container of your choice. So this is really, really simple. We just keep rolling. Okay, guys, it is done. This is what it looks like. I was going to not start it. I mean, not cook one, but I wanted you to see it. So it's still really hot, so I can't pick it up and eat it with my hand, which you would normally do. So let's try it. Oh, wow. That is super good. That is so good. Oh, you have to try this one, guys. You absolutely have to try this one. It makes 24 rolled tortillas. So I'll put the directions below. Give us a like, subscribe, and if there's anything you would like to see in a video, just send me a message below or put something in the comments, okay? Have a great day, and I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.